If you want to learn coding from zero and build real projects, this Python series is for you only. By the end of this series, you will be having your projects on GitHub, confidence in coding, and a strong base in computer science. So let's start with day 1 Python series. Introduction in Python. My name is Sambhav and I will be your instructor in this complete Python series. So let's start with what is Python? The main question arises. Python is a high-level interpreted programming language that is easy to read, easy to write, and beginner-friendly. So, if we talk about Python, it was created by Guido van Rossum, and today it is the one of the most used language in the world. So, this is the first program and the most basic program in Python. Hello world. So here you can see it's printing hello world. Why should we learn Python only? Python is easy to learn, powerful, and used everywhere. Where means web development, data science, AI and machine learning, automation, software and apps. That's why beginner and students and companies always prefer Python and always learn Python because of these things only. And you all know that AI/ML is rising nowadays and that requires Python. So now let's start with how to install Python and how to run on PC. First you have to go to python.org and the link is given in my comment section pinned and also given in bio. So you have to go to python.org, then you will see that download option. You have to go to there, click on Python 3.14.2, which is the version of Python. Now scroll down and you can see that Python for Mac OS, Python for Windows, Python for source release. If you are having Mac, then you have to click on download Mac OS installer. If you have Windows, download Python install manager. Then we will be clicking on Python download install manager, downloading install manager. Here you have to download. Then after downloading, you can just click on it and your Python will be started. There are two ways to run Python. First, Visual Studio. Second, main Python only. In Python, ideally, install Python here. After installing, you have to run Python ideally. In Python ideally, you will have all. Installing, you have to run Python ideally. In Python ideally, you will have all like hello world. You can see that it is printing hello world. But I will be using Visual Studio in my whole course. Visual Studio also have AI integrated. That's why I will prefer Visual Studio to you, so that you can also take help from AI if you want to. So this is our first program. Every programmer starts with this program only, having print hello world. And if you are done with this, then you have started coding. So here, welcome to the Python programming course. If you run this, you are printing hello world, welcome to the Python programming course. So your task is to install Python, run print function and take notes of this. The notes, assignment and codes will be available on my GitHub page, my description. You can go to the GitHub page, link is given in my description. You can go to there and just take notes from there. Tomorrow we will be learning variables and data types. Subscribe and follow for daily coding videos.